Turning now to the ongoing Aaron Hernandez murder trial, there is no witness testimony in the courtroom today. Instead, the judge is trying to decide what evidence she'll allow the jury to consider as we move on. And this includes conversations that Hernandez had while in jail. Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell has the latest in Hernandez on trial.
The judge will allow the jury to hear some of Aaron Hernandez's jailhouse phone calls, but she hasn't ruled on which ones yet. The defense and prosecution went phone call by phone call, arguing each call's relevance. Prosecutors singled out several calls between Hernandez and his fiancée Cheyenne Jenkins and Hernandez and his cousin Tanya Singleton, who pleaded guilty to contempt after refusing to testify in front of the grand jury in this case. Prosecutors have said they believe Hernandez paid Singleton for her silence, and they say a phone call discussing trust funds for Singleton's sons plays into that argument.
He suggests that it is out of the goodness of his heart that he's misleading his cousin into thinking that her children are going to have millions of dollars when they turn 18. I don't believe that that is a reasonable inference. And so the Commonwealth's position is that this is a step in the road to securing the conduct that then occurs at the grand jury.
The Commonwealth's ability to engage in imaginary behavior knows no bounds, Your Honor, and this is exactly what they're trying to encourage the jury to do. They are not encouraging reasonable inferences. They are not encouraging any evidence-based conclusions. They are instead trying to ascribe meaning to words which obviously have multiple meanings.
Prosecutors say they do not intend to introduce jailhouse phone calls between Aaron Hernandez and NFL player Mike Pouncey. The two played college football together at the University of Florida. In Fall River with the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom, Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.
And stay with us for continuing coverage of the Aaron Hernandez trial. We will bring you updates every day that court is in session. You can also see any testimony live as it happens, video streaming at WPRI.com.